Hey, Jonah. Hey. Hi there. What are you up to? What are you up to, huh? You say hi? You show me your outfit, huh? Look at you with your little Pooh Tigger outfit on. Can you say hi? Do you kick your feet? Do you say hi? Bless you. Oh my. God bless you, sneezer. Jonah. Jonah. Do you giggle? Yeah. Say hi. Say I have spit all over my shirt. Say hi. What else do you do? What else do you do, huh? What else did Jonah do? Yeah, do you giggle? Oh, you smile. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Let's get one more shot of your face. Do you smile? You smile? How about a smile? No smile today. There we go. Oh!